Hello fellow plant lovers! Have you ever been intrigued by the humble, yet elegant spider plant that you might have seen sitting in a corner of a living room, office, or even at your local cafe? If you've never given it much thought, now's the time to do so. Spider plant, or Chlorophytum comosum, is more than just an ornamental houseplant with its arching variegated leaves. It's a silent guardian of our well-being, offering a multitude of wellness advantages that are often overlooked. Now let's explore the multifaceted wellness advantages of spider plants. In detail, we'll delve into each aspect, from their air purify properties to their stress relief capabilities, and even their sleep-enhancing qualities. Air quality is a significant concern in today's world, with increasing pollution levels and indoor spaces often harboring more pollutants than we realize. Here's where our first wellness advantage of the spider plant comes in. It's an air purify dynamo that works silently to improve the air quality in your surroundings. A study conducted by NASA in the late 80s identified spider plants as one of the most potent natural air purifiers. They have the exceptional ability to filter out common indoor pollutants like benzene, formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, and xylene. They absorb these toxins and, through photosynthesis, release fresh oxygen into the environment, enhancing the air quality in your home. In certain climates or during specific seasons, indoor air can become quite dry, leading to a host of issues like dry skin, dry throat, and dry eyes. Enter the spider plant, a natural humidity balancer. Spider plants add moisture to the air through a process known as transpiration. When the indoor air is dry, these plants release moisture into the environment, subtly increasing the humidity levels. This process can help alleviate issues associated with dry indoor air, making the environment more comfortable. When choosing houseplants, two factors often come into consideration: toxicity and maintenance levels. The spider plant shines in both these aspects, proving to be a safe and easy-to-care-for companion. Spider plants are non-toxic to both pets and children. Unlike several other houseplants that contain harmful toxins, spider plants pose no risk if accidentally ingested, making them a worry-free addition to homes with pets or small children. Spider plants are incredibly resilient and require minimal maintenance. They are rot-tolerant, meaning they can survive even if you forget to water them occasionally. They can also thrive in various light conditions, making them a perfect choice for indoor gardening, irrespective of the sunlight your space receives. Having plants around us can have a profound impact on our mental well-being. The spider plant, with its lush green appearance and graceful growth, serves as a wonderful stress reliever and focus enhancer. Taking care of plants, watching them grow, and being surrounded by greenery can provide a sense of calm and satisfaction. Spider plants, with their easygoing nature and beautiful growth, offer a soothing presence, helping to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Did you know that plants could help improve your concentration? Several studies have shown that having plants like the spider plant in your workspace can boost productivity and focus by up to 15%. The calming presence can help create a conducive environment for work or study, subtly enhancing your efficiency. In our fast-paced, stressful lives, getting a good night's sleep is often a challenge. The spider plant steps in here too, offering its services as a natural sleep enhancer. Unlike most other plants, spider plants continue to release oxygen throughout the night. This constant oxygen supply can contribute to a healthier sleeping environment. The increased oxygen levels can lead to better and more restful sleep, producing symptoms of insomnia and promoting overall well-being. The spider plant, with its myriad of wellness advantages, truly stands out as a remarkable houseplant. Its ability to purify the air, balance humidity, offer stress relief, and hence focus, improve sleep, all while being non-toxic and low maintenance, makes it an excellent addition to any indoor space. Its striking aesthetics is just the cherry on top. So the next time you look at a spider plant, remember that it's not just an ornamental plant. It's a wellness warrior, working silently to improve your indoor environment and your overall well-being. If you haven't already, it might be worth considering adding a spider plant to your indoor garden. You'll be investing in a beautiful plant that will repay you with numerous wellness benefits. Enjoy this green powerhouse and the serenity brings along.